Sairam Class 4, welcome to your EVS class. How are all of you? Stay safe, stay at home. Don't force your mother and father to take you to garden, market, or friend's home like that. This time we have to do all the things from our home. है ना? Whenever you are coming from outside, if you have gone for some purpose, then wash your hand with soap for 20 seconds, or sanitize your home, sanitize your hands, and try to change your clothes, and try to be at home only. So all of you are enjoying this chapter Hututu, because in this chapter we are learning about sports, games, which all of you like very much. So far we have seen some rules of Kabaddi or Hututu. Now see again, today we will learn about some famous women players. Karnam Malleshwari. See the picture of Karnam Malleshwari? All of you are familiar with this picture? See, and all of you have heard about Karnam Malleshwari also. See, have you seen or read about her in the newspapers? कर्नम मल्लेश्वरी इज अ वेट लिफ्टर. वेट लिफ्टर जानते हैं आप? आजकल के बच्चे तो बहुत जानते हैं स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में. जो वेट उठाती है ना, वजन उठाती है. शी लिव्स इन आंध्र प्रदेश. शी बिलोंग्स टू द आंध्र प्रदेश. हर फादर इज अ पुलिस कांस्टेबल. सो हर फादर इज अ पुलिस कांस्टेबल. Malleshwari started lifting weights when she was 12 years old. So Malleshwari, she has begun her career when she was 12 years old, and now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms, more than a baby elephant. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms, which is more than a baby elephant. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. So see how much talented she is. She has won about 29 medals. Can you think of it? All of you should also try to excel in sports and studies also. Her four sisters also practice weightlifting. She is having four sisters who also practice weightlifting. See,
में क्या आपने कभी इनके बारे में न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा है या टीवी में सुना है? तरनाम मलेश्वरी एक वेट लिफ्टर है. वो आंध्र प्रदेश में रहती है और उनके पापा एक पुलिस कांस्टेबल हैं. करनाम मलेश्वरी ने वेट लिफ्टिंग स्टार्ट की थी जब वो 12 साल की थी, लेकिन अभी वो 130 किलोग्राम तक भी भार उठा लेती है. वेट लिफ्टिंग इज अ काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट. ये एक तरीके का खेल होता है जिसमें बहुत सारे देशों से लोग प्रतियोगिता में हिस्सा लेते हैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे. तो ये बहुत गर्व की बात है अगर हमारे देश का भी कोई खिलाड़ी किसी और देश के खिलाड़ी को हरा कर जीत जाता है. तो करनाम मलेश्वरी ने भी 12 साल की उम्र से वेट लिफ्टिंग स्टार्ट की थी. तब वो हल्के हल्के भार उठाने लगी थी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करते करते आज के दिन में वो 130 किलोग्राम तक का भार भी बड़ी आसानी से उठा लेती है. और 130 किलोग्राम का भार पता है कितना होता है? एक छोटे बेबी एलिफेंट का वेट भी 92 से 100 केजी तक का होता है. तो समझ लीजिए एक छोटे हाथी के बच्चे से भी ज्यादा भार उठा सकती है. तो है ना ये बड़ी गर्व की बात, क्योंकि ऐसा हर कोई नहीं कर पाता. चलिए जान लेते हैं कुछ और वुमेन स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन के बारे में जिन्होंने हमारे कंट्री को प्राउड बनाया है. सो फर्स्ट इज
see some more women sports person who has made India proud by winning medals at international level. So whose picture you are seeing at your screen? Subramaniam Vijayalakshmi. She is an Indian chess player who holds the FIDE titles of International Master and Women Grandmaster. The first female player in her country to achieve these titles. So, Subramaniam Vijayalakshmi is the one who is first to achieve the Grandmaster title in our country. How much intelligent she is. Chess is a game of mind. She has won more medals than any other player for India in the chess Olympiads. So, in the chess Olympiad, she has won many medals.
सुब्रमन विजय लक्ष्मी वो चेस खेलती हैं एंड शी होल्ड्स द FIDE टाइटल ऑफ इंटरनेशनल मास्टर्स एंड वुमेन ग्रैंड मास्टर। मतलब ये हमारे देश की पहली वुमेन चेस प्लेयर थी जिन्होंने इंटरनेशनल टाइटल हासिल किया था, जो हमारे देश के लिए बहुत ही गर्व का विषय है। सेकंड इज मैरी
Chungnanjang, Mary Kom, हेमेंटिगी। तो शी इज मैरी कॉम। पिक्चर भी बनी, आप लोगों ने देखी होगी, है ना? बहुत बढ़िया मूवी है और आप लोग उससे मैरी कॉम के बारे में लर्न कर सकते हैं। शी इज अ बॉक्सर। बॉक्सिंग आप जानते हैं ना, जिसमें बॉक्सिंग ग्लव्स पहन के बॉक्सिंग कोर्ट में की जाती है। तो गर्ल्स के लिए बॉक्सिंग करना, हो सकता है पेरेंट्स अलाउड ना करें। इट मे बी पॉसिबल दैट पेरेंट्स मे नॉट अलाउ that it is a boys type game and girls should not enter, but Mary Kom is the one who has chosen boxing as her profession. She is the only woman to become world amateur boxing champion for a record 6 times. है ना? So boxing champion, world boxing champion for record 6 times. See her picture, she is showing her medal, and in this picture she is showing Indian flag, and the only women boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 7 world championships. And she is the only one who has won who has won medals in each of the 7 world championships. So see how much talented she is. है ना? So you should also practice studies also and sports also. You can make, if you will do study well, you can make your career in sports also. Okay?
मैरी कॉम, इनका नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा। मैरी कॉम बॉक्सिंग खेलती हैं, वो मणिपुर से हैं एंड शी इज द ओनली वुमेन टू बिकम वर्ल्ड्स बॉक्सिंग चैंपियन फॉर द रिकॉर्ड 6 times and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 7 world championships। तो है ना ये हमारे देश के लिए बहुत गर्व की बात। सानिया मिर्जा को तो आप पहचानते।
Sania Mirza, all of you know about Sania Mirza. She is a lawn tennis player. Sania Mirza is an Indian professional tennis player, a former world number one in the doubles discipline. She has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. Grand Slam titles like Australian Grand Slam, American Grand Slam, French Grand Slam, and Wimbledon Grand Slam. These are the 4 Grand Slam titles which the tennis players play, and it is a matter of proud to have Grand Slam title for a tennis player. So how many Grand Slam titles she has won? She has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. From 2003 until her retirement from singles, that is 2030, she was ranked by the WTA as India's number one player in both the categories. So from 2003 to 2030, that is for near about 1 decade. Decade means 10 years. She was regarded as the number one player in both the categories, means doubles also and singles also in India. So it is a matter of great proud for all of us.
India's #1 player in both the categories, that is singles and doubles. उसके बाद सानिया नेहवाल, वो भी हमारे देश.
Sania Nehwal, all of you know Sania Nehwal. She's a badminton player, a very talented girl. Sania Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton singles player. She's a singles player. She plays in singles. A former world number one, she has won over 24 international titles. So she has ranked as the world number one player also, and she has won about 24 international titles, which include 11 Super Series titles. Okay, although she reached the world's second in the 2009, it was only in 2015 that she was able to attain the world number one title. Okay, so see how much dedicated, how much disciplined, how much hardworking Sania Nehwal is.
देश की बहुत ही फेमस बैडमिंटन प्लेयर है. She has won over 24 international titles. And next is Mithali Dora.
Next is Mithali Dorai Raj. She is an Indian cricketer in women category, and she is a captain of Indian women's cricket team in Test and One Day. All of you enjoy cricket, but generally children watch cricket of gents or men, but you should watch women cricket also, so to encourage the girls player. So Mithali Dorai Raj, she is the Indian cricket captain of the Indian women cricket team in Test and ODI, One Day Cricket.
Rai Raj. She is the captain of Indian women cricket team, जिनके नेतृत्व में भारतीय महिला क्रिकेट टीम ने काफी देशों के साथ खेल खेले हैं और बहुत सारे मेडल्स भी जीते हैं. A story of.
So, story of three sisters we will learn tomorrow. So, all of you have learned about the famous women player of India, how much well they are doing in the at the international level, how much medals, how much rank, how much titles they are winning, and we will learn about a story of three sisters, that is Jwala, Leela, and Hira tomorrow, who played the kabaddi and how they have done well in kabaddi. So I think this much is sufficient today. Thank you and Sairam. We will finish this class by having Shanti part. So join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the Shanti part. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam children.